Welcome everybody to another DIY video. It's Ellie here. You know how we do. Today, I actually just purchased this Stanley wet and dry vacuum from Amazon. I have a car that's pretty dirty inside, so I wanted to detail the car. I wanted to clean the seats and everything to see, how good this vacuum's gonna be. I've seen it. I've seen other people use it, so I've decided to purchase it and see if it'll actually work for me. So as usual, if you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and push the notification button. That way you don't miss any of our other videos. Now, putting it together is pretty easy. There's really nothing to it. Yeah, so it's really one, two, three. You just follow the instructions and you put it together. All right, now let me show you how dirty this car really is, especially the passenger side right here. Let's go to the back. Yeah, it looks pretty bad. I'm not sure if this vacuum actually will be able to do the job, so we're about to find out. Wow, look at that. Now that's dirty. All right, so before I start vacuuming or cleaning the chairs, removing all the trash, the water bottles or anything else that's in the car. I also vacuum the chairs to remove any extra dirt, anything I can before I actually spray them and try to clean the very dirty spots. Okay, I heard that you're supposed to just use soap and water, but I purchased this product about a year ago from Walmart. They were advertising it. It's supposed to be really good for carpet, so I figured it would help me clean the chairs. So let me give it a try and see how that go. I sprayed the front of the seat first, just to try the product to make sure it's not gonna mess the seats up. It seems like it's okay, it won't mess up the seats, so let's continue. So let me give you a closer look of how efficient this thing is. You see how dirty this is right here? And I already cleaned this one. Let me show you. This one is clean. So let me show you how efficient this thing can be. By the way, this is just laundry soap and water. I figured that this actually worked better than what I was using earlier. So I mean, look at this thing. From what it looked like earlier to now. Damn, this is pretty good, man. Now we're in the back seat. Oh boy. This is beyond filthy, y'all. That's after I spray it. Look what it looks like. After cleaning it once, it looked like this. So I'm gonna do it again. And after 2 times, this is it. Can you see the difference between this and this? This is crazy, man. This thing is working. So now let's finish the whole seat. So now let me show you what inside of this car looks like. What a difference! It's not 100% perfect, but from what this thing looked like before, I mean, come on. This is clean. Let's go on the other side. Let's go on the other side. Let's go on the other side. Oop. Yeah. I'll take this over what it looked like before. And look at the front right here. Man, if you love this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think, man. It's important. If you don't like it, if you like it, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Boom. Man, that's dope. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope. 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 Dope.